Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cooking oil cassava leaf. So I have a regular oil, like the red oil cassava leaf, but I don't have like regular oil like alga oil, or this is not coconut oil. This is just strictly regular oil. This is not olive oil cassava leaf. This is just plain regular oil you can just get from the store and use it. Okay, so it's just oil cassava leaf. So in my pot right here I have turkey, meat, and chicken, and 2 bell peppers and some onion right here. The rest of the onions are in that bowl right there. Okay, so over here I have my cow skin, my 2 Maggi, these are extra peppers, and onion, they're leftover. Over here is my chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, oil. This is my fish softening into a bowl of water. And over here is my cassava leaf that I took from the freezer and soak into warm water so it can thaw out. And plus I'm gonna rinse the cassava leaf as well and strain it with my strainer right here. So that's why I got it right there, sitting right there. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. And next you will need peanut butter, and this one is called crayfish powder. It's like shrimp powder. It gives the food very, very good flavor. You can use it for soup, this, whatever you have, and also fish powder as well. So those are just optional. Again, optional, you don't have to, but you know, cassava leaf is one of the hardest soup to cook if you don't have common sense to try to make it, you know, sweet and put your own touch into it. It will be a disaster in my opinion cooking. Okay, so here I have my bell peppers, here I have eggplants. If you don't want eggplants, you don't have to put it. Okay, but in my cassava leaf we're going to put it in there. Okay, this is ogiri, and this is garlic, and this is onions, and this is the stockfish right here. So like I said, some of the things that are here you don't have to put it here. So basically some people say, oh, this is not how typical. This is my way of doing it. Okay, so just calm down. It's my own cooking show, not yours. Oh, this is not how we typically. Yes, way back when we were taught, we, you know, we learn from the best. But once we're women in cooking, we just put our own touch into our cooking as we go on. Okay, so we don't have to take everything they taught us. Okay, so we got to put our own touch into our cooking as well. Our own cooking, everything got to be like the way, oh, this is not, oh, you got to put beans into this, oh, you know, put this way. I saw. Just go take a seat somewhere, okay, and just enjoy the ride. For y'all those haters that think y'all know how to cook but can't post a video on YouTube for people to criticize you guys. But once somebody put their stuff up, you're ready to criticize them. Just a word of the day. Okay, so now we are going to blend these ingredients in here. Yes, we are going to blend. That's enough pepper. Okay, let me put one more. That's enough. That is enough. Okay, guys, so let's blend. And then Okay guys, so now let's come back to the pot where we're gonna empty everything. Okay, so I'm gonna put and then I'm gonna put a little bit more water. Okay, so that's enough water. So now we're gonna add our Maggi, our ingredients to cook. This is the 2 Maggi that I'm putting in here. I'm gonna put the bouillon cube Maggi. I'm gonna put my seasoned salt. I'm gonna put this stockfish because it's kind of a little bit hard, the stockfish right here, and I want it to soften up. So I'm gonna put that so that it can, I add a little bit of water so that all the ingredients that was in here will be cooked into. So that is it for now. So now I'm just gonna allow this to cook down, and then I will add the peanut butter, and then add the cassava leaf, and add the oil. So this is very simple. If you've been watching me for a while, you should know how to cook by now. So yes guys, so now I'm just going to add some of this fish that I had in here so everyone can cook. Not much, you know, just that, just like that. Okay, so once I come back, I will show you when it's time for me to add the peanut butter and the cassava leaf. So now let everything cook and get to the consistency that I'm looking for. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to add my peanut butter into my pot. So this is the peanut butter that I'm using. So guys, I'm going to let the peanut butter cook down a little bit, and then I will add my, I'm gonna add my oil now. Let me just add my oil. So this is the cassava leaf that I already strained right here. I strain it, and now it's in here with my cow skin right there. So let me add my oil. So that's enough oil, and then let it boil down a little bit. Then I'm gonna come back and add the cassava leaf, and then after that, that is it. But for now, let this peanut butter does its own thing, you know. So okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my cassava leaf. into the pot. Make sure you lower the pot when you put in your cassava leaf so it doesn't go all the way, you know, it won't pop up and burn your skin, especially when you add peanut butter into it. Trust me, it will pop up and burn your skin. So lower the stove while you add in the cassava leaf into the pot. So after you mix everything, let the cassava leaf cook down. You know, once you start seeing the oil on top, that's an indication that your soup is almost ready. So I'm only cooking one cassava leaf because I'm not cooking much. So just in case someone wants to know, it was only one cassava leaf that I put in here in this spot. As you see, there's a lot in it. So yes guys, so now is the time to add all of your seasonings into the pot. You know, if you know your seasoning that you added earlier is not enough, so try to add the rest of your seasoning so everything will cook together. Yeah, so I don't need to add anything right now, so I'm gonna crank my stove back to medium and let this cook down. So all right, so I will see you guys when it's all done. That's it right there. Okay guys, so this is my oil cassava leaf. As you can see, the oil is already settled on top of the cassava leaf, even though I have few spots that needs to be dry. So I'm just gonna lower the stove down so that those spots can be even with the rest of the oil. So please make sure when you do this, drain the oil, which I will be doing later on, but I just want to finish this video with you guys. I will drain this oil before dishing this soup out of this pot. But let me show you guys how this looks. Look at that. Okay, look at that. It tastes so good. It's hot. I didn't put no okra, I didn't put no tula, I didn't put no bala, I didn't do none of that because I didn't want any of that. So just in case somebody was like, oh, how come you didn't put that one there, this and that, because I didn't want to. That's why. So I just like my stuff. The peanut butter that I put is enough for me. I don't need to put extra stuff again. But like I said, I just wanted to end this video and let you guys know where I stand, and that is it. I hope you learned something from this quick tutorial of mine of red oil. I mean, not red oil, regular oil cassava leaf. So hope this, you know, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.